Top 10 Luxury Cars 2022. Automakers are offering a multitude of performance-oriented models with outstanding luxury and technology until self-driving vehicles replace the numerous pleasures of driving. The latest cars are powered by engines that produce 500, 600, and even close to 800 horsepower, and luxurious vehicles which hit 60 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds are the new norm. Watch the video till the end as we will tell you about 10 of the most luxurious cars debuting in 2022. Audi QS R8. The 2022 Audi RS Q8 is a fantastic package with outstanding performance. The Audi version of the twin-turbo V8 produces 591 horsepower and boasts virtually outstanding acceleration. Audi claims a 3.7-second 0 to 60 miles per hour time with a top speed of 189 miles per hour. The RS Q8 will be equipped with adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, along with a new RS design package, which includes carpeted floor mats with the RS insignia, striped seat belts, steering wheel and shift knob, as well as traffic sign recognition and intersection assist. Standard features on all RS Q8 versions include adjustable air suspension, 22-inch alloys, heated and ventilated front seats. The RS Q8 has a 6-figure price tag, but its performance, design and features are likely to make it worth the money. Bentley Flying Spur. The next vehicle in our list is the Bentley Flying Spur. Being developed from the ground up to pamper its occupants, the car boasts an athletic chassis to thrill the driver. A trio of engines, including a new plug-in hybrid, provides seemingly limitless power, and the car's deft handling transforms languid weekend trips into pleasurable driving experiences. High-end leathers and metal accents are mixed with latest technologies and convenience to excite the senses, while the backseat is extremely comfortable, particularly when equipped with luxury features such as power-adjustable rear bucket seats and heated armrests. The Flying Spur's unrivaled combination of luxury and performance comes with a 6-figure price tag, and that's before you start adding modification options from Bentley's personalization features. Lamborghini Urus. Winning the crown of the quickest SUV to ever run at Virginia International Raceway in the annual Lightning Lap event, the Lamborghini Urus costs about $250,000. The vehicle comes with features that even the Aventador and Huracan do not. The 2022 Lamborghini Urus is easily the most tremendous family car on earth, even if its interior craftsmanship isn't as good as its supercar's siblings. The Super SUV is equipped with a 641 horsepower twin-turbo V8 engine, an 8-speed automated transmission, and all-wheel drive. Urus can transport more than 2 persons and a large amount of stuff while also going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds and complete the quarter mile in 11.3 seconds at 121 miles per hour with an estimated top speed of 190 miles per hour. Rolls-Royce Cullinan. The 2022 Rolls-Royce Cullinan travels with utmost tranquility and indulges everyone aboard, as one would expect from an ultra-expensive SUV. This $250,000 automobile is propelled by a powerful and smooth V12 engine. Its recognizable hood ornament and massive proportions ensure that observers know it's a Rolls-Royce, even if its outward design is somewhat odd. The Cullinan's cabin is unsurpassed in terms of silence and construction quality, as well as the option to customize the area to the owner's preferences. For the 2022 model year, the Rolls-Royce makes no changes to the Cullinan engine. It's still propelled by a 563 horsepower twin-turbo V12 engine. Gear changes are still handled by an 8-speed automatic transmission, which sends power to the standard all-wheel drive system. Mercedes Maybach S-Class. The Mercedes Maybach S-Class of 2022 is the epitome of pure, unadulterated luxury. The richness and price of the first reworking of the double M logo resulted in disappointing sales in 2002 and again in 2012. The new Maybach, which is based on the newest W223 S-Class, will once again demonstrate what Mercedes' luxury brand has to offer to the top 1%. Longer rear doors, a polished aluminum B-pillar with a unique bonnet with a silver bar, and a massive grille inspired by the 2016 Vision 6 concept will all help you to spot the Maybach. The chrome grills in the front intake contrast with the V8's black finish, as well as dedicated 20 and 21-inch wheel options. You'll also benefit from the extra legroom provided by the Maybach-specific 3.4-meter wheelbase, which is 7.1 inches longer than a conventional S-Class. Bentley Mulsanne. With a commanding outer look and an intimate cabin feel, this handcrafted sedan is arguably the best the Bentley family has to offer. The Mulsanne's powerful twin-turbo V8 gives smooth acceleration, and despite its size, the Mulsanne is surprisingly fast. The interior of the car is lavishly developed with luxurious features and plenty of space. The Mulsanne is powered by a twin-turbocharged 6.75-liter V8 engine that produces 505 horsepower and powers the rear wheels through an 8-speed automated transmission. The engine's power appears to be limitless with effortless acceleration. The huge Mulsanne actually drives like a much smaller vehicle, but despite its size, the Mulsanne manages to maneuver through city streets and parking lots with remarkable ease. Range Rover SV Autobiography Dynamic. The arrival of the Range Rover SV Autobiography Dynamic has further cemented Range Rover's position as the world's best SUV. The distinctive look, luxurious interior, and powerful V8 engine were created by Land Rover's Special Vehicles Operations team to provide a driver-focused experience. The Range Rover SV Autobiography Dynamic style is enhanced with graphite Atlas exterior and other distinctive finishes, along with a choice of 21 or 22-inch bespoke alloy wheels in 3 different finishes, which sit 8 mm lower than the normal Range Rover. The design has an aggressive attitude, hinting at the power and performance that may be found inside. This car is equipped with the most powerful V8 supercharged engine in Range Rover's history. The 5.0-liter engine has been retuned to produce 550 horsepower and 680 Nm of torque at 3,500 to 4,000 RPM. The end result is a vehicle that can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 5.3 seconds. The vehicle's interior boasts the InControl Touch Pro infotainment system, which includes a 10-inch dual-view pinch and zoom touchscreen display that keeps the driver linked via integrated satellite navigation and connectivity via a range of innovative app services. BMW 7 Series. If you're searching for a large car to drive, the 2022 BMW 7 Series ticks a lot of boxes, particularly in terms of its roomy and comfortable cabin, which can be equipped with a variety of premium options. All variants have a silky smooth powertrain, which ranges from an inline-6 in the base 740i to twin-turbo V8 and V12 possibilities. There's even a plug-in hybrid model that can operate on electricity for up to 17 miles before switching to gasoline. The largest BMW sedan has adopted a comfort-first approach, so there isn't much to keep drivers entertained. But the 7 Series does not fail as a cruiser. The automobile has an M760i's amazing 601 horsepower twin-turbo V12 engine, which is silky smooth. The slick-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission is used by all 7 Series models. The 7 Series lineup would have a remarkable set of EPA fuel economy ratings if it weren't for the thirsty 12-cylinder M760i. Mercedes-Maybach GLS. Mercedes-Maybach elevates the most expensive models of the luxury brand to new heights in terms of aesthetics, technology, and amenities. Maybach is marking the centennial of its first production car with a special edition GLS. It has had a difficult history, but now it is celebrating the centennial of its first production car with a special edition GLS. It's known as the Edition 100, and it adds yet another layer of comfort and convenience to the already lengthy list of features. The Maybach GLS is one of 2 special editions announced by the firm, which also includes the S-Class Edition 100. The 2 are painted in the same hand-painted two-tone Cirrus Silver or Nautical Blue and are limited to 100 copies each. The 2 interiors are identical, with the exception that GLS has more soundproofing. Rolls-Royce Phantom. With the most sumptuous cabin in Autodom and the exclusivity that comes with this $500,000 automobile, the 2022 Rolls-Royce Phantom easily justifies its price tag. Although the Phantom's exterior has a familiar decades-old design, the interior is crammed with modern conveniences and high-tech capabilities. A V12 engine appears to provide limitless power. Every square inch of the cabin is covered with fine leathers, fine woodwork, and authentic metal elements. Passengers confined to the back seat can relax in maximum comfort, especially in the long wheelbase extended variant. Rolls-Royce also claims a 5.1 second time from 0 to 60 miles per hour. To say the Phantom's ride is flawless would be an understatement, as everything points to a spectacular and opulent automobile, making the owner feel like a member of the royal family. This is it from today's interesting topic. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos.